everybody, it's Jamie from the Deer Run Library, and today I'm going to teach you how to make 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. Before we get started, make sure that you wash your hands, and you can go ahead and set your oven to 350 degrees to preheat. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of peanut butter, a half a cup of sugar, and 1 large egg. You're going to mix the 3 ingredients in a medium-sized bowl until it looks like this. Once it looks like this, you're ready to start rolling. If you have some flour, I found that it makes it a little bit easier so it doesn't stick to your hands to put a little bit on your fingers, and then you can go ahead and grab a little bit of dough and make a 1-inch ball. And it'll look like this. You're gonna put it on your pan and you're gonna score it crisscross one way and the other, and it'll be ready for the oven. Now you're gonna put these in your 350 degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And after that, they'll come out just like this. Enjoy!